Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about subtraction of whole numbers. A minus B equals C. A is a midpoint. B is a subtrahend. C is the difference of A and B. And next, subtraction of whole number. And we have several different models. The first model is takeaway model. For example, John has $8 and spent $5 for ticket to the movie. How much money does John have left? So take away, so we have 8, take away 5, so therefore we have a 3 left over. Okay. Next, missing added model. Alice has read 5 chapters of her book. If there are 8 chapters in all, how many more chapters must she read to finish the book? So in this example, we would find because missing added, right? So we have 8 chapter is a total and equal 5 plus a missing added, right? So therefore we can say 5 minus 8 minus 5, which is equal missing added, right? Which is equal 3. All right. Next, comparison model. Georgia has 8 mice and Tanya has 5 mice. How many more mice does Georgia have than Tanya? So basically compare the two different quantity. Compare A and 5, okay? And the next is number line model. Mike hiked up the mountain trail 8 miles. 5 of these miles were hiked after lunch. And how many miles did Mike before lunch? So we have draw a number line like this. Now this is a total is 8 miles. And then this is lunch right here. Before, after. Before, we don't know. But after we know this is how many miles, you know. We know this is 5 after. So therefore we take 8 minus 5 equals 3. So we know the before lunch is 3 miles, okay? All right, so next, we're gonna talk about several different ways we can do subtraction, okay? Subtraction methods. We have a draw pictures, come back our number line, tally marks, decompose, compose, change to addition, cat method, New Zealand method, and equation. Okay. Let's do the first one, which is draw pictures. Now draw pictures, for example, 8 minus 2. I want to draw pictures, all right? And I want to tell the story. I have 8 chicken. I want to give 2 chicken to my cousin, right? So how many chicken I still have? So I will draw 1 chicken, 2 chicken, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8. I ate chicken, right? So I wanna give 2 chicken to my cousin. How many leftover I have? I still have 6 chicken, right? So this is show the concrete way, show to the children, okay? Next is count back on number line. Count back on number line. So here is a number line, right? And again, I want to use the A minus 2 example, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's start from A, right? So let's say I'm walking 8 miles and I wanna go back for 2 units, right? So where am I? I'm 6. So A minus 2 units, 1 unit, 2 units, I counting back. So therefore it is 6, right? Next is tally marks. Oh, tally marks. Now tally marks, I can do like A minus 2, all right? This is a different level, right? All right, so we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Tally marks. And I want to take away 2. Take away 2. So I want to change different color. Take away 2. Take away. So therefore, how many I left over? I have a 6, right? Okay. Next, compose, decompose, and compose. Decompose and compose. For example, A minus 6 is equal how many, right? So I can decompose 8 is 5 and 3. 6 decompose 5 and 1, right? So therefore, decompose like this. So I can do the calculation like this way. All right. 8 actually is 5 plus 3. 6 is equal 5 plus 1, right? When I do the subtraction, here, you can see 5 minus 5 is equal 0. 3 minus 1 is equal 2. So therefore answer is 2, okay? So now how about this problem, when I take A minus 6, I have enough to subtract, right? Now what about if I like to do the problem like this, like a 23 minus 15, all right? 23 minus 15. Oh, 3 minus 5, not enough, right? And then student always stuck up from here. What should I do, all right? So we can just decompose, kind of regroup, decompose. I can decompose 23 with 10 and 10 and 3, right? And then I decompose 15 as 10 and 5. 10 and 5. Now I can do the subtraction, right? So I can think about a way of this because I just regroup. Now I have enough. I have enough to subtract, right? So now I have a 10 minus 10 is 0. Now I have a 13. 13 minus 5, I have enough. So therefore I got 8, right? So this is another way of thinking, when we decompose, and then that helps students to think about when the number not like a 3 minus 5 not enough, what should we do? Okay, we can regroup like this. All right, so now next, change to addition. Change to addition. So I have 23 minus 15, right? I will change this into addition. 23 plus negative 15, right? Now here, we can tell the story for this. I have a $23 in my pocket, And now I want to add $15 debt. And how much money do I left? So I change it to addition, I add a debt, right? This is basically the debt. This is the money you have. This is the debt you have. So how many you have? That'll be $8, right? Next, CAP method. CAP method is another good way to help children to know, to calculate not enough, okay? So like say I have 23 minus 15. Again, let's do the same problem and using different method. You have 23 minus 15. Now 3 minus 5, not enough, right? And I want to use cap method. I want to put a cap, right? So 3 minus 5, not enough. How much not enough? Oh, it is not enough for 2. So therefore, I put a cap 2. All right. If not enough, you put a cap. Okay. Now 2 minus 1, enough or not enough? Enough. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Right. So what does this mean? 1 and cap 2. What does this mean? This means place where 1 is 10, right? And what about cap 2? Cap 2, that means I have I'm not enough. I have a debt, right? Not enough. So therefore 10 plus minus 2, also therefore we got an 8. All right. Let's do another problem for CAP method. Let's say 34 minus 19. 34 minus 19. 4 minus 9, enough or not enough? Not enough, right? So I put on a cap like this. Cap for how many? Not enough for 5, so cap 5. 3 minus 1, enough, not enough? Enough. So actually is 2. All right. Now 2 here is place value for is 10, right? And then this is once, right? Cap 5 is once. So therefore, what does this the symbol here mean? Means, what does this mean? Means I have 20 and what? Cap 5. Cap 5, that means negative 5, all right? So therefore, the answer will be 15, okay? Now, how about, can we do problem for 3-digit? Yes, we still can do 3-digit. 321 minus 184. All right, so let's do cap method for this again. 1 minus 4, enough or not enough? Not enough, so I put on the cap. Not enough for how many? 3, right? Put on cap 3. 2 minus 8, enough or not enough? Not enough, so put on a cap. Cap for how many? Cap 6. 3 minus 1, enough or not enough? Yeah, enough, so put on a 2. All right. So what does this mean? 2, cap 6, cap 3. What does it mean? This means I have 200 plus not enough for how many? Is not 6. It's a 60 because the next place value is this is a 60, right? And then this is how many? Oh, this time is a 3. Yes, negative 3, right? So this actually is 200 minus 60 minus 3. So therefore, we have 140 minus 3. So the answer is 137. Okay, this is a CAP method. A CAP method is a good method to taking care of not enough, okay? Another way we can do subtraction, which is called the New Zealand method. All right. So to start with the New Zealand method, I want to ask you here. I take a 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equal how many? Is equal 6. Is that right? Now, take a look. If I add 10 on the top, then I add 10 on the bottom, and I subtract, all right? Then my answer will be the same as a 6, yes or no? Yes, because I have a 19, and then this is a 13, and then I still get a 6, right? So New Zealand method using the strategy like 8-10 on the top and 8-10 on the bottom right away. And then do the subtraction, and then we can find out the answer, okay? So here is a example we can do, okay? Let me give you another example. 5 minus 4, which is equal 1, right? Now if I add 10 on the top, add 10 on the bottom, and I subtract, okay? Which this is 15, this is 14. Oh, 10 minus 10, 0. And then this is a 1. So therefore, it's same as answer like a 1, right? So I add 10 on the top and add 10 on the bottom at the same time. I still get the same answer as a 1, okay? Now, with this concept, add 10 on top and add 10 on the bottom right away. And then the answer will be the same. So we can do the problem for using the method for the problems such as like not enough, okay? Again, yeah, I'm gonna change the different color. 23 minus 15, okay? Now, 3 minus 5, enough, not enough? Not enough, right? So I add 10 on the top. Now 8, 10, 10 on the bottom right away. So 8, 10 on the top, we're gonna make it as a 15. 13, so 13. Now 8, 10 on the top, on the bottom, now make it as cross this out because 1, which is 10, 10 plus 10, which is 20, right? So now do we have enough? Yes, we have enough. Take a 13 minus 5, how many? 13 minus 5, which is equal 8. 2 minus 2 is equal how many? Which is 0, 0. So answer it would be 8, okay? Let's do another problem, okay? For you. New Zealand method. 44 minus 15. All right? Hit 10 on the top because 4 minus 5 not enough. So I add 10 on the top, which is make it as a 14, right? And add 10 on the bottom, which you make it as a 2, right? Now I have a 14 minus 5, which is equal 9, right? 4 minus 2, which is equal to. So the answer is 22, okay? Let's do next problem. Can I do 3-digit for this? 3, 2, 1 minus 184, right? 1 minus 4, enough, not enough? Not enough. So I add 10 on the top, make it as 11. Now I have 10 on the bottom, make it as a 9. Cross this out, make it as, change this into 9, right? So now we have 11 minus 4, how many? Which is 7. 11 minus 4, which is equal 7. Now next, we have a 20. Next is 2, actually it's 20. 20 minus 90. 20 minus 90. Enough, not enough? Oh, not enough. Not enough, then what should we do? I will 800 on the top. Make it as 120, right? And then you have 800 on the bottom right away. So that would be 200, right? So 120 minus 90, how many? Which is 30. Is that right? The next, 300 minus 20, 200. 300 minus 200. Enough, not enough? Yeah, enough. So therefore, we take a 300 minus 200. The answer will be 100. So the final answer is 137, okay? Let me do another problem for 3-digit, okay? 3, 2, 3, 1, 8, 7. Okay. 3 minus 7, enough, not enough? Not enough. For New Zealand method, I add 10 on the top, make it 13. Oh, don't forget, you add 10 on the top, you have to add 10 on the bottom, okay? Make it as 9. So 13 minus 7, how many? Which is equal 6, right? The next place value, which is 20 minus 90. 20 minus 90. Enough or not enough? Oh, not enough. Not enough, so therefore I add 100 on the top. All right, then I have to add 100 on the bottom, cross these out, change this into 200. So 120 minus 90, how many? Which is 30, right? Now next place value, which is 300 minus 200. Enough, not enough? Enough. So 300 minus 200, which is 100, 136, okay? So this is a New Zealand method, okay? Now the next one would be equation. Equation, for example, like 15 plus x, which is equal 23, right? So in this problem, we want to find out what's the x, right? Find out what the x is. So one way we can do, let's do first way, okay? First method. First method is you got a minus 15 for both. Minus 15 here, we got an x. Minus 15 here, 23 minus, we got an 8, right? So x is equal 8, right? So that's the one way we can do, right? What's the second way we can do for this? Right? So here, the second way I can do is this. We always focus on what? We always focus on the equal sign here. Always focus on the equal sign here. And now here's 23, okay? So equal sign, that means a balance, and you have to think about equalities. Think about the equal sign, like a balance, okay? So another way I can do, I just minus 15 here. And then I minus 15 on the other side. See, did you see the writing? This is a balance. This is a balance. If you minus this, it balance, yes. So final answer is x is equal 23 minus 15, which is equal 8, right? All right, so today we'll finish the the whole number subtraction. And I hope you enjoy this video. And thanks for watching. And you have a great day. Thank you.